Well, whatever works. Moving on to Chapter 7. Systems of equations and inequalities. When you have a system of equations, you can solve them using substitution, by graphing, elimination, or through Gaussian elimination. If a slacker has only a small certain amount of friends, because he is a slacker, use the following system of equations to find out how many friends the slacker has of X guys, Y girls, and Z dogs. Now students, I have a confession to make. I really don't want to type out the lesson plan for this chapter because I don't even like these problems. So I'm just going to write out the answer for you. Pay attention. Whew, that was tough.
Hey, I have 11 dogs too!
Awesome, Jarvis. Chapter 8.
Dude, Sir Brah, there is no Chapter 8.
Really now?
Yep. When the textbook was created, Chapter 8 got lost in some sort of computer matrix. Brah.
Okay then, Chapter 9. Sequences, series, and probability. I'm honestly just going to go over the probability because it's probably the funnest part of this chapter. That's probability for you. Any happening where the result is uncertain is an experiment. The possible results are the outcomes. The set of all possible results is the sample space. The probability of an event occurring can be denoted by the number of outcomes, E, over the sample space, S. When you try to get a multiple number of events to occur, you multiply the probabilities together. To find a large sample space, you can use a denotation called NCR. You should know that, so I'm just going to tell you to put that into your calculum-agator. Now get ready to write things down. A slacker wants to become a millionaire, but he doesn't want to put any effort into it.
My thoughts exactly.
Can I go to the bathroom? Thanks.
So he goes to a psychic to find out how he can become a millionaire. The psychic tells the slacker that he must pull a 20-sided die out of a bag filled with 19 other dice that have different amounts of sides. Roll a 7 on the 20-sided die 7 times in a row. Pick a 7 out of a 4-suit 52-card deck, and then wear that card on his head as he goes through the lottery and enters completely random numbers into a lottery ticket that allows you to fill in 4 random spots with numbers between 1 and 30. What is the probability of all this happening?
1 out of 1 quadrillion, 824 trillion, 76 billion, 800 million, dude, brah.
What kind of phone do you have? Seriously, where? Would you like to explain how you came across your answer?
My phone just did it for me.
Gosh, I wish I had that in high school. Neil, would you like to explain how Lenny's phone must have done it?
Sure, you multiply the sample spaces for everything together. The first few are simple. You multiply 20 by itself 8 times, and then you multiply that by 13. But for the lotto sample space, you use NCR with 30 elements, taking 4 at a time.
Righteous. Last chapter. Ooh. I need a new job. Chapter 10, Topics in Analytic Geometry. Conic sections are the different shapes that can be created by cutting through a cone. The different conics are the circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. And there's also the point and the line. Ellipses and hyperbolas have focus points or foci that give them unique qualities. In an ellipse, the foci are the points from which the distance between one focus and any point on the wall and the other foci will always be the same. For example, ellipse, clearly perfectly drawn. 2 foci. Same distance, same distance, same distance, same distance. Two slackers want to help each other out in their classes, so they devise a plan to create classrooms that are in the shape of ellipses so that if the two slackers sit in the foci, they'll be able to whisper and hear each other talk. Devise the formula for an ellipse that could reasonably fit 30 students, a teacher, all their desks and supplies, and where the two slackers can sit at the two foci and only be 20 feet apart horizontally. Whew. Suppose the center of the classroom is at 7, 9. And this is not supposed to be a spaceship. Anyone? 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 Okay, okay. A possible answer is not that. Anyone? 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 Okay, a possible answer is x minus 7 squared over 100 plus y minus 9 squared over 125 equals 1. Okay, I'm done. Class adjourned. Auf Wiedersehen.
Bruh.